Apple CarPlay is now fully integrated into the 2025 Toyota RAV4's infotainment system, providing a seamless iPhone experience in your vehicle. Enabling Apple CarPlay allows you to access essential iPhone apps directly on the RAV4's 12.3-inch touchscreen, minimizing distractions while driving. Connecting your iPhone to the RAV4, either through USB or wirelessly, brings your favorite apps directly to the car's display for safe and convenient use. Access essential apps like Maps for navigation, music for entertainment, messages for communication, and phone for calls, all with controls optimized for safe driving. You can connect Apple CarPlay to your 2025 Toyota RAV4 in two ways, wired or wireless. Wired connection uses a USB cable for reliable setup, especially recommended for initial pairing or when wireless signals are unstable. Wireless CarPlay connects through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, offering a cleaner cabin without cables. Higher trims like XLE, XSE, and Limited come with Apple CarPlay Standard. Ensure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later with CarPlay version 7.0 or higher for optimal wireless functionality. Start by connecting your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into the RAV4's USB port located in the center console using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked to allow the initial pairing process. Once connected, the vehicle's infotainment screen will show a permission prompt asking if you want to enable Apple CarPlay. Simply tap Allow or Accept on the screen to proceed. After accepting the prompt, Apple CarPlay will launch automatically on the infotainment screen. You'll see your familiar iPhone apps arranged on the display, ready to use while keeping your focus on the road. First, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. This allows wireless connection to your RAV4. Next, navigate to Settings, General, CarPlay, Available Cars on your iPhone to find your vehicle. Then, select your RAV4 from the list of available cars in your iPhone's CarPlay settings. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts on your RAV4's infotainment system to complete the wireless pairing process. If you're having trouble connecting Apple CarPlay, start by restarting both your iPhone and the RAV4's infotainment system. Power off both devices completely, then turn them back on. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and toggle it on. This is essential for both wired and wireless CarPlay connections. If issues persist, reset the RAV4's infotainment system. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Reset to clear any software glitches affecting CarPlay. Ensure your iPhone's iOS is up to date, as compatibility requires iOS 12 or later with iOS 15 Plus for wireless. Check Settings, General, then Software Update to install any available updates. Finally, for remote diagnostics, use the Toyota MyT app. Download it from the App Store, connect your vehicle, and access tools to troubleshoot CarPlay issues or check for OTA updates. Once connected, use the 12.3-inch touchscreen to access core apps like Maps for navigation, music for entertainment, messages for texting, and phone for calls. Siri integrates seamlessly, allowing you to use voice commands for navigation, calls, and media control without touching the screen. Multitasking is fully supported, so you can view turn-by-turn directions on one part of the screen while enjoying podcasts or music in another area. CarPlay also integrates with your RAV4's climate control and adaptive cruise systems, allowing you to adjust settings through compatible apps. Apple CarPlay prioritizes your privacy and security with end-to-end encryption that protects your data as it travels between your iPhone and the vehicle's system. For initial pairing, make sure your iPhone is unlocked to establish a secure connection. CarPlay 8.0 offers advanced privacy controls, letting you choose what data to share and maintain control over your personal information. Wireless CarPlay is becoming the standard, with wireless connections replacing wired setups for a cleaner, more convenient experience. Expect deeper integration with vehicle systems, where CarPlay interacts with climate control, safety features, and other vehicle functions. Augmented reality navigation overlays may be coming, providing enhanced visual guidance through the windshield. Also anticipate tighter security protocols to combat cybersecurity risks and protect user data.